Imagine a millionaire who doesn't live in a mansion, drive a fancy car, or wear designer clothes. Instead, they live in a regular neighborhood, drive a modest car, and shop at discount stores. This is the life of a middle-class millionaire. While most people think you need to earn a huge salary to become a millionaire, the truth is that many people reach this goal by simply living frugally. These individuals focus on saving money, investing wisely, and avoiding debt. In this video, we will explore the 9 frugal habits that help middle-class millionaires build wealth. By adopting these habits, anyone can work towards financial freedom, regardless of their income level. Let's dive in and discover the secrets of living like a middle-class millionaire. Understanding the middle-class millionaire. The term middle class often refers to people with steady jobs, decent incomes, and a comfortable lifestyle. They might own a home, drive an average car, and take occasional vacations. But what about the middle-class millionaire? This is someone who, despite their million-dollar net worth, continues to live a middle-class lifestyle. They don't flaunt their wealth with luxury items or expensive habits. Instead, they focus on living within their means, saving money, and investing wisely. Being a middle-class millionaire is about making smart financial decisions over time. These people might not earn huge salaries, but they understand the importance of managing money carefully. They prioritize saving, avoid unnecessary debt, and invest for the long term. What sets them apart is their disciplined approach to personal finance. They don't chase after the latest trends or try to keep up with others. Instead, they stay focused on their financial goals, leading to significant wealth over time. There's a common misconception that millionaires always live flashy lives, but middle-class millionaires prove that wealth can be quietly built. By living frugally and making wise choices, they achieve financial freedom without ever appearing to be wealthy. Number 1. Living below their means. One of the most important habits of middle-class millionaires is living below their means. This simply means they spend less money than they earn. Instead of using their income to buy expensive items or live a luxurious lifestyle, they choose to save and invest a large portion of their money. For example, instead of buying a big, fancy house, they might choose a modest home that meets their needs but doesn't stretch their budget. They might drive a reliable, older car instead of a brand new luxury model. They don't spend money to impress others. They focus on what truly matters to them. Living below their means helps them avoid debt and build up savings over time. By not spending every dollar they earn, they can put money into savings accounts, retirement funds, or investments. This habit allows their wealth to grow steadily over the years. This approach requires discipline, but it's key to financial success. Middle-class millionaires understand that financial freedom isn't about how much money you make, but how well you manage what you have. By living below their means, they ensure they have money set aside for future opportunities and challenges, helping them build lasting wealth. Number 2. Prioritizing saving over spending. Another crucial habit of middle-class millionaires is prioritizing saving money over spending it. For them, saving is not just an afterthought, it's a top priority. Before they think about spending on extras like dining out or buying new gadgets, they make sure a significant portion of their income is safely tucked away in savings. Middle-class millionaires often automate their savings. This means they set up their bank accounts to automatically transfer a portion of their paycheck into a savings or investment account each month. By doing this, they ensure that saving happens regularly without having to think about it. It becomes a consistent habit. The money they save doesn't just sit idle. They invest it in ways that allow it to grow, such as in retirement accounts, stocks, or other investments. Over time, these investments can grow significantly thanks to the power of compounding, where the money they earn on their investments also earns money. By prioritizing saving, they build a strong financial foundation that helps them weather unexpected expenses and prepares them for the future. This habit is key to reaching financial freedom, as it ensures that they always have money set aside for both emergencies and opportunities. Number 3. Avoiding debt like the plague. Middle-class millionaires are very careful about debt. They treat debt like it's something dangerous, and they avoid it whenever possible. They know that debt can quickly become a heavy burden, making it harder to save and build wealth. Instead of borrowing money to buy things they can't afford, they choose to live within their means and pay for things with cash whenever they can. For example, when it comes to using credit cards, middle-class millionaires are very disciplined. They use credit cards only for things they can pay off in full at the end of the month. This way, they avoid paying high interest rates that can add up quickly. If they do take on debt, like a mortgage or a car loan, they make sure it's manageable and that they can pay it off as quickly as possible. They also avoid taking out loans for things that don't add value to their lives, like expensive vacations or luxury items. By staying out of debt, they keep more of their money for saving and investing, which helps them grow their wealth over time. Avoiding debt is a key habit that protects their financial health and keeps them on the path to financial freedom. Number 4. Embracing DIY culture. Middle-class millionaires often embrace a do-it-yourself DIY culture to save money. Instead of paying others for services they can do themselves, they take the time to learn new skills and handle tasks on their own. This might include things like home repairs, gardening, cooking meals at home, or even doing their own taxes. By choosing to do things themselves, they avoid paying for expensive services and keep more of their money. For example, instead of hiring a handyman to fix a leaky faucet, they might watch a tutorial online and do the job themselves. Not only does this save money, but it also gives them a sense of accomplishment. This DIY approach doesn't mean they never spend money on services, but they are careful to do so only when necessary. Embracing DIY helps them stretch their dollars further and adds to their overall financial success. Number 5. Investing wisely and consistently. Middle-class millionaires understand that saving money alone isn't enough to build wealth. They know the importance of investing their money wisely and consistently. By putting their money into investments, they allow it to grow over time, helping them reach their financial goals faster. These individuals often invest in a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or retirement accounts like 401(k), and IRAs. They don't take wild risks with their money. Instead, they focus on steady, reliable investments that can grow over the long term. For example, many choose to invest in index funds, which offer broad market exposure and lower risk compared to picking individual stocks. Consistency is key. Middle-class millionaires make investing a regular habit, contributing to their investment accounts every month, even if it's a small amount. Over time, these regular contributions add up, and the power of compounding helps their money grow even more. They also stay patient and don't panic when the market goes down. They understand that investing is a long-term game, and they stay focused on their goals. By investing wisely and consistently, middle-class millionaires build a strong financial future, ensuring they have the money they need for retirement and other life goals. Number 6. Delaying gratification. Middle-class millionaires are experts at delaying gratification, which means they are willing to wait for bigger rewards rather than giving in to immediate desires. Instead of spending money on things they want right now, they choose to save or invest that money for the future. For example, they might delay buying a new car or taking an expensive vacation until they have enough saved up or until they find a great deal. This habit helps them avoid impulsive spending and keeps them focused on their long-term financial goals. By delaying gratification, they ensure that their money is working for them, growing over time instead of being spent on temporary pleasures. This patience and discipline play a big role in their financial success, allowing them to build wealth steadily and achieve their dreams without unnecessary financial stress. Number 7. Planning for retirement early. Middle-class millionaires start planning for retirement early in their lives. They understand that the sooner they begin saving and investing for retirement, the more time their money has to grow. This long-term planning is a key part of their financial strategy. They make it a priority to contribute regularly to retirement accounts like 401(k), or IRAs. By doing this, they take advantage of compound interest where their money earns interest and that interest earns even more interest over time. Even small, consistent contributions can grow into a significant amount by the time they retire. Planning for retirement early also gives them peace of mind, knowing they are prepared for the future. They don't have to worry about whether they'll have enough money to live comfortably in retirement because they've been building their nest egg for years. This careful planning helps them achieve financial freedom and enjoy a secure retirement. Number 8. Maintaining a simple lifestyle. Middle-class millionaires often choose to live a simple lifestyle, even when they can afford more. They focus on what truly matters to them instead of spending money on luxury items or flashy things. For example, they might live in a modest home, drive a reliable car, and avoid spending on expensive clothes or gadgets. By keeping their lifestyle simple, they can save more money and invest it for the future. They don't feel the need to impress others with their wealth. Instead, they find happiness in the basics and enjoy the financial security that comes with not overspending. This simple lifestyle also means they have less financial stress. They aren't constantly worried about paying off large debts or keeping up with expensive habits. Maintaining a simple lifestyle helps them stay focused on their long-term financial goals and build lasting wealth. Number 9. Continuous learning and adaptation. Middle-class millionaires never stop learning about personal finance and investing. They understand that the world is constantly changing, and to stay ahead, they need to keep educating themselves. They read books, listen to podcasts, and follow financial news to stay informed about the latest trends and strategies. This habit of continuous learning helps them make smart financial decisions. They adapt their strategies when they discover new ways to save, invest, or manage their money more effectively. For example, they might learn about new investment opportunities or better ways to budget, and they aren't afraid to change their plans if it means improving their financial situation. By staying curious and open to new ideas, they ensure that they are always making the best possible decisions for their financial future. Continuous learning and adaptation are key to their ongoing success and long-term financial stability. Becoming a middle-class millionaire isn't about earning a huge salary or living a flashy lifestyle. It's about adopting smart, frugal habits that help build wealth over time. These habits are not only for the wealthy. Anyone can adopt them to improve their financial situation. By following these principles, you can work towards financial freedom, just like the middle-class millionaires. It's not about how much you make, but how well you manage what you have. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.